we play belongs to the country, it belongs to the people that lived here for generations, and it has in it some great power of persuasion to make people dance, to make people cry, to make people laugh, to make people sing. So we're just here to be the mediums for that and let everyone else experience the joy that comes from it.
Oh, more together now. Hooray, boys, hooray. No more do I wish for to roam, for the sun it will shine in the harvest time to welcome poor Paddy home. Lovely.
I love the old pagan festivals, and IMBOLC is it's a great hopeful time of year when the hag has been overturned, the Cailleach is dead, and the Goddess Brid is emerging again, and it's a great time of hope and celebration.